given to we'll be giving you the server. So how to log into the server will be explaining you right now. So server can be logged in through remote desk. So on your system, just type for a remote connection. I hope you are able to see my screen.
No.
Okay.
No, okay.
This is our YouTube channel. You can also follow here. So on your system, just type here remote desktop connection. Okay, so this one. So the ID is already saved in my system. That's why it is giving. So this will be given to you. Your computer name, you can just paste it here from your email, whatever the link I'll send you. Just paste it here to 49.207 this ID and your username SF150 and if at all it is changing, I'll be giving you. If this option is not coming, just click on edit and in more choices just click on more choices, use a different account. You have to just click on this one and edit. Now I have already saved this one username 146. Just connect. Yes. Okay, so you will be land upon a remote desktop connection. So here you will be finding SF link, and you should not share this password to with anyone. If you share, then this will get locked and again it is a we have to ask to the vendor to revoke that one. So it is already available, so user ID and password is already saved here. Just click on login. Okay,
Okay.
so in this way you will
Mm.
have to log in into your system. Yeah, Lakshmi, you are saying something.
It is better Chaitra will share this and log it. She will understand.
Yeah, yeah, she will understand. So this is how you have to log in. Now you have to share your screen and log in. Till that time, I'll share you the email with your password and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 second, Chitra, I'm sharing. Chitra, I have shared you the server access. You can share your screen and log into your system.
Yeah. Okay.
Lakshmi, have you gone through our YouTube channel?
Yes, Kavita. I am watching about position management.
Oh, position management is different.
Okay. Actually, I check all the videos. So firstly, I went through the position management.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I'm watching our daily recording videos on the I'm checking it.
Yeah, yesterday's and today's I will upload in account.
Yeah, no issue.
In this username, you have to give that, right? SF146.
Hmm.
So for me also, it's a 146 only, Kavita.
I will change that one.
Yeah, okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
save that.
Let save this and let me connect that, right?
Allow me to save credentials.
Okay. Okay.
Save and connect.
it's a for the rate.
Okay, I think my ID to be changed. Okay, so this is how you have to log in this Chitra. If any changes, so we will be updating you regarding the servers and all.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so today you have to practice 1 second. So whatever we have discussed, you will have to put down on the notes and prepare like what Lakshmi shown you the document. Likewise, you have to prepare your own document. So till the training, it will become your guide, your own implementation guide.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, both of you, even Lakshmi, you have to start that one.
Yeah, sure, Kavita.
Hmm? And
Sure.
yeah. So again, we will be starting tomorrow. What is a theme management? Provisioning, provisioning access is already discussed. Quick actions and all. What are these things? We will be updating you tomorrow. Today, just yesterday's and today's class notes by prepare, and by Friday, I'll be taking exam for both three of you.
Yeah, okay, Kavita.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts you have, Chitra? Any questions?
For today's class, anything I need to prepare?
Yeah, yesterday we have discussed now what exactly the SAP, those introduction part
Yeah.
will also
The
come.
introduction.
That also comes in the interview part, and difference between the provisioning and instance. So those
Okay.
things also you have to understand. So not only that one, so here are some other channels where you will be concentrating. So let me show you that one. Uh, so one channel is open.sap. Lakshmi, you know this one, right?
Oh, I didn't see your screen, Kavita.
Now you are able to see.
I think chat. No, okay. Now I didn't see.
Okay, so apart
Yeah.
from the course, you need to do some groundwork. So for that one, where you can get resources is Open SAP is one of the platform where you will be getting all training means SAP related things here. Okay, so these are the official sites of SAP. So you can go
Yeah, this one.
here, you will be having some podcast, you will be having your upgrades regarding the SAP, not only Success Factors Employee Central, here you can think like check all the topics what required for SAP. So this is extra kind of thing. Apart from that, one more thing is SAP community. Okay, so what is community regarding likewise our like our
All any updates and all
Hmm.
everything it will be
So
in that
people are
community.
discussing on things. So that is one community here. Okay.
I know these two things.
Yeah, apart from that, like this is enough. And one is partner edge portal. So this partner edge portal is like a where we will be getting our downloads, our data models, and also to log in this one, we need to have our universal ID. When we get certified in that one, at that time we will be getting this one partner edge portal. So these are the different sites where you can learn more about the SAP and all. Okay. So once you have, whenever you have free time, just scroll to this one and understand more about the things.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah. Okay. Any other queries you have? Tomorrow I'll check your documents, how you are preparing. So once it is done, like we will move forward with the course content. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then you can take a rest today. Tomorrow we'll connect with the new topic.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a great day.
Okay.
Thanks, Maita. Good day. Thanks. Bye, Chitu. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.